day, bunnies
or chicks.
So today we're going to be doing a super fun, non-bake, super easy Easter DIY.
Yay! And it's so easy that it only has 3 ingredients. And those ingredients are chocolate of any kind.
Preferably, what is that, milk chocolate?
Milk chocolate.
Milk chocolate,
yes.
Dark.
And then we have these. These are chow mein noodles.
Hold on, sorry. There's
uncooked. That's very important.
There's dog hair. There's dog hair and everything at my house. Okay. And then we have Cadbury eggs. It smells so good. And then
we have something extra special.
We got luster dust. And I don't tell anybody, but I think the only reason that we're doing this video is so that we can use the luster dust. Anyway, but then we have some paintbrushes to paint on our luster dust.
To apply the luster dust. And then we have a muffin tin. And that's it.
That's all you need. And you don't even have to bake them.
Yeah,
this is just
great. Really
it's super easy, and you can just like run to your local like food place. It's called a store. Food store. I know that. I was gonna say some like actual like store, but I don't know. Anyway, and you can get, they of course have chocolate and Cadbury eggs. I don't know about, did you find
chow mein noodles? You could get them at like Safeway.
Okay, cool.
They're pretty easy to find.
Okay, so let's get going. Oh, it's so satisfying. Okay.
So these are our beautiful Easter nests, and Dylan's been turned into a dog, so yeah. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and go follow our Instagram at dylan.and.mira, and stay